Can we download QuickBooks for free? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can download QuickBooks for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, head over to QuickBooks, and after you head over to QuickBooks official website, you can see different options such as buy now and save and start a free 30 days trial. So there is a 30 days trial, so head over there first, and after you head over there, you will see this option. Now billing will be processed in USD as it says right here. You can choose your local currency as well. So now you will see different options. You can use whichever you want. You can choose whichever you want. You can see different features of each package. So choose the one that you want. And when you start a free trial, just tap on start a free trial. It should take you to this page here, and on this page, what you'll need to do is you'll need to give it your payment method. But the thing here is, whenever you give it your payment method, you will be able to start a 30 days free trial, which you can just, end it whenever you want. So right before the 30 days end, you can end that, free trial, which will ultimately lead you to using QuickBook for free for 1 month. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.